Hey guys, what the heck? I don't have no clue what happened there. Okay, hey guys, so my name is Mariah. And I'm so sorry the lights are red because it's literally a thunderstorm and we have to shut all of our windows and all of our things and stuff because it's a thunderstorm. It's not like we're gonna die or anything, but it's just a crazy thunderstorm.
And it's coming.
And so I blocked every window and I turned the LED lights red so we have some light. Should we turn it? I think it's getting a little bit better. Should we turn it white?
Yeah. It's coming to Geneva. Wait, Geneva.
It's getting a little bit better.
It's going to.
Not completely better, but a little bit.
But guys, if you're at Geneva, then it's coming to Geneva.
Yeah, but if I post a video 4 days later, it's not gonna be starting. So today's video, we're gonna be trading. Yes, fidgets. Trading fidgets.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Go get your fidgets. I'm gonna go get my fidgets and pie.
I already got my fidgets over here.
I got my fidgets too. Okay. So let me just get the rest of my fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna get all my fidgets and put them over here.
So,
This.
so guys.
Okay. So, Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Be in the video. Okay. I'm gonna make a board. A little what do you call it?
Oh yeah.
I remember. First, we gotta get some paper.
Guys, whoever does TikTok goes on my channel
And like my TikToks. And
you'll see that her. Mariah, you starting a fidget video?
yes, I'm actually starting a fidget channel.
She's starting a fidget channel, and you gotta see what she has. You gotta see. Guys, you'll be so impressed. I got the screen slime. While Mariah's doing that, I'm gonna show you my lime glue.
No, don't show them everything.
Oh. You should have told me at the first.
Okay. So, sorry because the papers are so bad. X, check, and add. Sorry about that. Okay, this I drew. Okay, I drew this board so stupidly. X, check button and add. Sorry, I kind of mistaken it. X, check button and add. Okay. Here is yours. There you go. Sorry, the boards are so bad because I don't rip paper goodly. So this is the check mark, this is the add, and this is the takeaway. So sorry about my stupid handwriting. I don't know why. Okay, Kenzie, ready?
Yeah, I'm born ready.
And guys, if you've seen my hand, look. So I wrote.
Mariah, get to the
Okay.
point of the fidget video.
I wrote I heart soccer, and then I wrote a little heart with my two hands, and I also wrote a little.
Mariah, come on.
Okay, come on. Okay. These are our boards. You guys, you can see the X. This is the X. This is the check button. This is the add. X, check button, add. Okay. Sorry, you guys can't see. I'm trying to get you guys in a good angle where you guys can see some particular stuff that we are doing in this video for y'all. I have no clue where I'm gonna put y'all. Okay. If you guys can see, this is the X, check button and add. Okay. Put it on the thing.
Okay, I am.
Put it on the thing.
Stop it.
Okay. Turn it around. You don't know how to do this. Okay.
You can't do that. That's not you trade.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be this. What do you mean?
Okay. So, Mackenzie, I want you to. So I'm gonna put this up for trade, guys. This is gonna be up for my trade. Yes, this ice cream poppet. What would you have for offer for this ice cream poppet?
Okay, I would have. I'll show you right now. Okay. So I will trade. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm gonna trade.
Okay. Can you just add like one more thing and I'll accept? Please accept, please. Yay! Okay, there you go. There you go.
Okay, let me get my next item. Okay, let's put the next item.
Let's see what I can trade here.
Okay, I'm gonna do
This. Okay, I would have like this very cute little Hatchmo.
Okay. I just need one more thing. Just one.
Actually, I don't really need that much stuff. Actually, I'm gonna be nice and just. Yay! There you go. Thank you.
Okay, let's see what I got here.
Okay. We're getting on to the most extreme things. Okay. Okay, so I want you to offer for this very square rainbow little poppet. I have that up for my offer. Oh. So can I try those out really quick and you can try this out?
Yeah. Okay, where's that? Alright, make another one like your surprise.
Ooh, this is pretty cool.
Ooh, I like this. I'm gonna
Here, don't bang it yet. Don't bang it yet.
Oh, okay. 3, 2.
Wait, I'm not done.
You need to see the ad. And
3, 2, 1.
Oh
Yes,
yes,
I love that.
Trade. Okay.
Okay, let's see what I got here. Let's see what I got here.
Ooh, I got extra.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what I
I
got.
have this like little thing.
Ooh.
So I have this little thing with this.
Slime. Ooh, this is one of my dream fidgets. This magnetic thing. Can I please test it out?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Oh, here you go.
Right.
Guys, look at this.
Look
I
at
cannot
this.
believe
I
it.
love this. Okay, I'm gonna put this down
Okay.
in.
Here
Okay.
you go. Let me just put this back for you.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready for the trade.
Oops.
Alright, I have to.
Y'all have to see.
Wait, Mackenzie, don't do it yet. Gotta get our camera processing. Don't click it yet. You don't know what I'm clicking. Stop. Jeez. No. Okay. I just have this. There we finally go. Put your things up so they can see your little board. I'm gonna put mine up. Okay. Will you accept this squishy? 3, 2, 1, go. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this is gonna be extreme fidget, so better get ready for this. Let me see here. Let's see here. Trying to figure out what I can trade. Okay, so I think I'm gonna trade my extreme thing and I'm gonna trade this. This one of my best puppets ever. Okay. I'm gonna do all of these. All of these. Can I test them out and you can test this out? Can I test them out? Yeah. Go test these out. Okay. Look at this big. I think it's gonna take too long, like, to test all of it out. Well, I'm on the good side, so that's really good for a starter trade. Show them how. Okay. This is like a very good poppet. Like, this was almost one of my dream poppets, and I sold it. So, like, I kind of want this back. Like, this poppet is, like, really good. I think, here you go. Here's all your stuff back. Okay, would you trade? I think I might. 3, 2, 1. Yes, hero, my fidgets. Okay. Sorry, guys. You guys, oh my gosh, I'm picking you guys. Sorry. Okay. Oop. Yeah, I'm in a little room for a seal right now. Okay. Let's see what I got. Okay. Miss, yeah, I have a trade for you. I have another one of these. I would wonder if you would offer.
Can I please have those over there? Those 2 monkey noodles, the big one and the small one.
Okay, this one it's like an easy tray because it's like just 2 monkey noodles. And I'm like,
Can I try them out first?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
This one is working out. This one kind of feels like the same one, but
Oh, I know. I have another one, so you might have 2, and you can trade the one, and you can have another one. Like, that's the part I love about these. And also, blink, blink. I can swap some big booties out there that are being bad. So, I really want these. And I'm gonna steal her. Here you go. Can you accept? Yes, yes, girl. Thank you. Here.
okay, good for me.
Okay. Yes, yes, girl. I just got fidgets. So, I better get out of here. So, like.